Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best audio mixers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Rural 6-channel audio interface mixer. This is a budget-friendly option priced at just $61.99, making it accessible for beginners or those looking for a cost-effective solution. It features 6 channels, Bluetooth connectivity, and built-in DSP reverb effects, providing versatility for karaoke, live performances, and streaming. With 48 volts phantom power, it supports condenser microphones seamlessly, while the 3-band EQ helps fine-tune audio output. In terms of design, the Rural mixer offers a durable steel chassis and a compact form factor, making it portable and robust. The USB interface allows playback from USB drives, adding convenience to your setup. However, because it's an analog product, users need to follow the instructions carefully to achieve optimal performance. The Rural mixer is ideal for casual users who need basic functionality at an unbeatable price point. On the downside, the audio quality and effects may not meet professional standards, and some users might find the lack of detailed configuration options limiting. Overall, it's a solid entry-level product for hobbyists or small-scale applications. Coming in at number 4 is the Mackie Mix 5 5-channel compact mixer. Priced at $64.95, this mixer is designed for simplicity and reliability, making it a great choice for those who need a compact solution for basic mixing tasks. It includes 5 input channels, 1 microphone preamp, and 2 stereo channels, offering enough flexibility for small-scale audio setups. Additionally, its dedicated headphone volume control is a nice touch for monitoring. The design of the Mix 5 leans toward minimalism with a lightweight build that's easy to transport. Despite its compact size, it feels sturdy and well-built, ensuring durability over time. While it lacks advanced features like onboard effects or Bluetooth, it excels at delivering clean audio with low noise thanks to its high-quality components. The Mackie Mix 5 is perfect for podcasters, home recording enthusiasts, or small-scale live performers who need a straightforward mixer without breaking the bank. However, its limited channel count and lack of modern connectivity options might deter users with more complex needs. Overall, it's a dependable and affordable option for entry-level users. At number 3, we have the Pyle Professional Audio Mixer PMXUA3BT. This 8-channel mixer packs a punch with its versatile features, including USB compatibility, Bluetooth streaming, and 48-volt phantom power for condenser microphones. With a rugged steel chassis and sealed rotary controls, it's built to withstand heavy use while resisting dust and grime. The addition of a 3-band EQ and 16-bit DSP effects processor makes it suitable for live performances, studio recordings, and even karaoke. One standout feature is its Bluetooth connectivity, which allows hassle-free music streaming from smartphones or tablets, a big plus for modern setups. Its multi-voltage power supply supports worldwide usage, making it ideal for traveling musicians or DJs. The mixer delivers decent sound quality with minimal noise, although it's not on par with premium models. The Pyle PMXUA3BT is best suited for intermediate users who need a mix of affordability and functionality. While it offers plenty of features for its price, some users may find the interface slightly cluttered, and the lack of detailed user reviews on its price might raise concerns. Overall, it's a versatile and durable choice for mid-range applications. At number 2, we have the Elgato Stream Deck Plus, a unique and innovative product designed specifically for content creators. Priced at $179.99, this mixer doubles as a studio controller and production console, featuring customizable touch strip dials, LCD keys, and compatibility with popular platforms like OBS, Twitch, and YouTube. The ability to trigger multi-actions and switch profiles for different apps makes it an excellent choice for streamers and gamers. The design is sleek and modern, with tactile controls that provide responsive feedback and intuitive operation. At just 1 pound, it's incredibly lightweight and compact, making it easy to integrate into any desk setup. While it doesn't offer traditional mixer features like XLR inputs or onboard effects, its versatility lies in its ability to control audio, video, lighting, and more, all from a single device. The Elgato Stream Deck Plus is perfect for digital creators who prioritize efficiency and customization over traditional mixing capabilities. However, it's not ideal for users who require extensive audio inputs or analog mixing features. Overall, it's a game-changing tool for streamers and multimedia producers looking to streamline their workflow. And finally, at number 1, we have the Yamaha MG10XU 10-input stereo mixer with effects. Priced at $289.99, this premium mixer is packed with features that make it a top choice for professionals. It boasts studio-grade D-Pre Class A preamps that deliver natural-sounding bass and smooth highs, ensuring exceptional audio quality. The one-knob compressors allow effortless control over dynamics, resulting in punchier bass lines and tighter snares. Its rugged powder-coated metal chassis ensures durability, while the 3-band EQ and high-pass filters provide maximum control for a cleaner mix. With USB connectivity and SPX digital effects, it's perfect for live performances, studio recordings, and even podcasting. The MG10XU's intuitive design and robust build quality make it a joy to use, even for extended sessions. The Yamaha MG10XU is ideal for professionals who demand high-quality sound and advanced mixing capabilities. While it's on the pricier side, its performance and reliability justify the cost. The only drawback is its slightly heavier design, but that's a small trade-off for premium features. Overall, this is the ultimate mixer for those who want the best of the best. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.